Good morning, my dear student. Today I start theorem 7.2. Prove that angles opposite side of an isosceles triangle are equal. Let ABC ABC be isosceles triangle. Let ABC be isosceles triangle. Two sides are equal. Prove that the angle of opposite side, angle of opposite is AB and AC is equal side, opposite side. We have to prove angle B is equal to angle C. Solution: let triangle ABC be a triangle where AB is equal to AC. To prove angle B is equal to angle C. Given that angle of opposite angle of side of an isosceles triangle are equal. Opposite angle. This opposite we have to prove opposite angle of two equal sides. Suppose ABC be a triangle and AB equal AC. Construction: let us draw the bisector of angle A and D be the point of intersection of this bisector of angle A and BC. We have to draw the line D, AD line. This AD line is this AD line is the bisector of angle A and D be the point of the intersection of this point BC. Now we can consider these two triangle ABC and triangle ABC. In triangle ABD, we can consider triangle ABD and ADC. In triangle ABD and triangle ADC. AB equal to AC. Given this portion is given, AB is equal to AC. Two sides are equal, two opposite sides are equal. So we can write AB is equal to AC given. Okay. Again, this angle is AD the bisector from construction. So you can write the angle BAD. This angle and this angle equal. Angle BAD equal DAC. You can write the given portion construction by construction. Okay. Now here AD is the common side of the both triangle. So you can write the AD is equal to DA is common side. This common side. Therefore triangle ABD concurrent triangle ADC. According to side angle side rule, by side angle side rule. Okay. Theorem 7.2. What is given in question? Prove that the angle opposite side of a isosceles triangle are equal. We can consider any two sides of the two equal side. This equal side opposite angle are equal. We have to prove opposite B angle B is equal to, suppose a triangle ABC is a isosceles triangle and AB and AC is given equal. We have to prove angle B is equal to angle C. By construction, let us draw the AD the bisector of angle A we have to draw the bisectoral angle A. This angle we have to draw the AD line of bisectoral angle A. Again, D be the point of the intersection of this angle A and BC. D is the point of the intersection point of BC. Now we can consider this triangle ABD and ADC. ABD and ADC. AB is equal to given AC in given equation. These two equal sides. Angle BAD. This angle equal DAC. This AD is the bisector of angle A. So these two angles are equal. Is by construction. Again, AD equal to DA. This AD side and DA side is equal. We can write the common side. Therefore, triangle ABD and this ADC, ABD and ADC, two triangles are concurrent by rule side angle side. If triangles are equal, then we can write a angle B is equal to angle C. You can write a CPCD. Theorem 7.2 and 7.3 is the inverse of 7.2. This theorem 7.3. So prove that the side of opposite to equal angle. Now here given opposite angle are given. Okay, this angle B and angle C are equal. Then the side opposite to equal. Then you have to prove this AB equal to AC. Prove that the side opposite to equal angle, the side, this AB side and AC side equal of a triangle are equal. Suppose given here triangle ABC, angle B and angle C is given in question. Okay, and you have to prove AB equal to AC. First one, AB is given AC. AB equal to AC. We have to prove this one. Angle B is equal to angle C. But here angle B and angle C is given. We have to prove here AB is equal to AC. Solution. Let triangle ABC be a triangle in which two equal angles given. That means in which angle B is equal to angle C. Okay, to prove AB, two equal side, two side opposite, two side are equal. AB or two opposite side are equal. AB is equal to AC. Construction. Let us draw the bisector of angle A. Same. Construction will be same. We have to draw the AD, the bisector of angle A, and D be the point on intersection point BC. Now proof. In triangle ABD and ADC triangle ADC is given angle B equal to angle C. You can write it given. Okay, here AD is given. AD is equal to DA. You can write this one common side. Again here this angle BAD equal angle DAC by construction. Okay, this one this an angle, these two angles are bisector of angle A. So these two angles are 50-50. So because this AD is the bisector of angle A, so angle BAD and DAC equal, and angle B equal angle C is given in question. Again AD is the common side. Therefore triangle ABD and ADC, two triangles are concurrent. Triangle ABD CABD concurrent triangle ADC by rule by angle side angle rule. Therefore, these two triangles are equal. Then AB, their corresponding their opposite side are equal. Therefore, AB equal to AC. Hence proof. Therefore, we know that there is opposite side of isosceles triangle and opposite angles are equal. Exercise 7.2, question number 1. In an isosceles triangle ABC with AB equal to AC, the bisectoral angle B and C. This bisectoral angle B and C. This B and C bisector intersect at point at O and join A to O. So that OB is equal to OC. This OB is equal to OC and OA bisect angle A. We have to prove these two angles are equal. OA bisect angle A. Okay. Now first given triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. ABC is an isosceles triangle. With AB equal to AC. To prove OB equal to OC and OA bisect angle A. Angle OA bisect angle A. Proof. Here you can consider triangle ABC is isosceles triangle. AB equal to AC. Okay. Therefore, AB equal to AC is given. Then we can write a angle BABC. Angle ABC equal angle ACB. Opposite side of triangle are equal angle. So this theorem 6 by 7.2 we got this angle B equal to angle C. Theorem 7.2. Again angle this now OB the bisectoral angle OB the bisectoral angle B and OC the bisectoral angle C. Therefore, you can divide half of ABC and half of ACB. Half of ABC is equal to half of this OB the bisectoral angle B. Therefore, this half of B means we can write OBC. Angle OBC. Half of ABC is equal to OBC and half of AC is equal to OCB. These two angle equal and these two side are equal. Therefore, OB is equal to OC. Theorem 7.2. If angles equal then side are equal. The theorem 7.2. This one theorem 7.2. Theorem 7.2. Now OB we have to prove this number 1. OB is equal to OC. Is OB is equal to OC we have to prove. And now we have to prove now these two angles are equal. So we can consider these two triangle. So we can consider these two triangle. In triangle AOB for number 2. In triangle AOB and AOC, in triangle AOC. Okay, look, these two sides are equal. Okay, AB is equal to AC is given. Okay, given this OB and OC, we have to prove this OB is equal to OC. OB is equal to OC. Again, O is the common side of both triangle. This AOB and AOC. OA is equal to AO. This common side. This common side. You can give the number 1 here and give from equation 1. From equation 1. Okay. This equation 1 is given. Now, although the two triangles are concurrent, therefore triangle AOB concurrent triangle AOC by rule side by side rule. Okay, three side equal, then triangle are concurrent. Okay, if triangle concurrent, then the other parts of triangle also equal. Therefore, these two angle concurrent part of the CP from CPCT triangle AOB equal OAC. We get these two angles are equal. CPCT. If triangle is concurrent, then we can write this all part of concurrent triangle are equal. Corresponding part of concurrent triangle. Okay. Therefore, angle OAB equal to OAC. Therefore, OA bisect angle A.